Cindy from Clear Lake has a question about buckling tiles.
It's the 12-inch ceramic tiles in her kitchen, right?
Okay.
Cindy writes, in late December, the tiles in front of the refrigerator started sounding hollow. After about a week, they started buckling. We broke out about 6 of them and saw no evidence of anything unusual. 15 years ago, we had foundation work done on the opposite side of the house. And we don't see cracks in the walls, so it's hard to imagine that that's the problem. We don't know why this has started after all this time. What's your advice for Cindy?
First off, when I talk to Jim Dutton or Kenny Dutton about foundation repair, the one thing they say is tile popping has nothing to do with foundation movement. So just erase that out. Yeah, just check that box.
Because she was thinking about getting a hydrostatic test, and she's worried about moisture and all that stuff.
Not at all.
Okay.
Usually what happens over time, it just lets go because of the expansion and contraction of the walls and stuff pushing on the tile and finding a weak spot. Now, under your refrigerator, right in front of it, you have that hot air blowing on it all the time.
For 15 years.
For 15 years, if you had a refrigerator that long. And it probably just dried it out. It wasn't set real well because they didn't set them. They set them okay, but not real well. And so they ended up just drying the thin set underneath, and they popped up.
The good news is you're going to get a brand new tile floor because you're never going to match those tiles.
Yeah, or if you have a box in the garage, it's very easy to redo them.
If you happen to have a box.
Or if the tiles that popped up are a hole, you can have them reset.
Okay, so that can be done.
Yeah.
All right. But probable, if any of them are cracked and you don't have a box, you're headed to Texas Floors.
Texas Floors. But remember this, it's not foundation problems.
All right. That's good to know. I'm sure that's a load off her mind.
Yes.
You want to get a load off your mind? Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and send us your questions. Tom will help you out with them, get you through everything. Just click on the Ask Tom button, and we'll answer it just like that. And if you want to do us a solid, why don't you click on that subscribe button and click the bell, and we'll let you know when we post a new one.